Good morning, all, and welcome to the end of the month, beginning of a new week, and the last day of the new the of July. Tomorrow will be ushering in for us August. So it's important we learn to minimize our risk. So we'll take a look at some of the trades we took from last week from this zone. nzdchf, we've been buying it. I closed and re-entered on Friday. Yeah, how you manage your trade, it's important. Right now we're in profit, so our advice, we protect um the profit. Rules number one, never allow a trade in profit go in a loss. So I'm moving my stop loss to still have the trade some breathing space, so 0.97, 0.957. All right, that's some 7 pips secured. You can move it more up high if you want to the base of the last bullish candle. This candle will be ending by 10 o'clock Nigerian time, 10 a.m. Nigerian time. So I can also choose to secure 30 pips, which is at the base around the zone. So which is still like 15 pips secured. Remember, this is a long-term position, so that's I'm setting the trade at break even. Okay, so allow the trade to run. Yeah, that was the last two trades we mentioned. Then we looked at GDP CHF. Okay, that was the last trade we did, and we're looking at this channel running, and currently we are in profit as well. So since we're in profit, move the trade to break even as well. I think that will be good. That is about 11 pips secured. Okay, now today taking a look at nzdchf, though it seems related to the party, but if we have some pips up front to be grabbed. So we've been working our way within this channel, and we picked this last sell from this zone. Okay, pick the buy here, pick the sell here, and it's run into our fair value gap. Looking at it from H6, that is H12 I just left, and yeah, the fair value gap I'm using is the one at H12. Okay, I'm using MetaTrader 5 in case you're confused, and now it's run into that zone, and we had a good retest and some strong bullish momentum. So unfortunately we didn't set our buy limit, and that will give us a very high risk currently. But if we're using a 100 pips stop loss and take profit around 200 pips, it's not a bad business. That is 1:2. So I still feel like it's not too late to join this trade, but the only thing I would advise is always calculate your position size according to your account size. Alright, like I have a very good account, so trading 0.1 and risking $100 is okay for me. So stop loss is around below the fair value gap in case we're going to have a retest, but I'm assuming based on the fundamentals existing currently, I don't see a retest happening. So I want to still use the stop loss. So if it's retesting, I can join. Alright, I can still join. My take profit will be around I'll pick a key level around this zone 0.835. Once I'm in profit, I would secure my profit. Alright, depending on the currency strength as well, I might be saying yeah, I think that zone is not bad. I think that was the last fair value gap. So exiting the market around here is not a bad business. So I would want to take it to 50% of the fair value gap, which is 0.837. Okay, that increases my. Okay, I don't have up to 1:2, so I can reduce my losses. Yeah, just so I have grossly 1:2 as stop loss. So let's see. I think we're already in profit. Let's see how the trade runs. I'm also taking a look at Euro GBP for a buy, but it seems to still be ranging within that zone. Okay, so maybe tomorrow I'll take a clearer look, and we'll see if we can join the market and buy. But left for me, my bias for Euro GBP is a buy. We'll look at the incoming fundamentals by 8. Let me just take a look at the news. Okay, so we have a few news coming up by in just 46 minutes. Okay, we have GDP growth rate for the euro, core inflation rate for July, inflation rate too as well, and retail sales. Okay, most of the news already out for the eurozone. For some European countries came out positive. Yeah, inflation rate for a few countries are already out. For the Netherlands are already out, and it came out better than expected. Okay, but I think my best overall trade currently is still nzdchf buy, because the business confidence in nzdchf buy is also very good. The business confidence for the New Zealand's actually increased, and so I'll be looking to buy nzdchf as well. So that makes NZD card as well a very good buy. That makes NZD card and nzdchf a very good buy. So let's see. Let me just take a quick look at the nzdchf. Alright, so we have good. I think we have a very good entry as well here incoming, and yeah, the market has been dancing within. I think we should use this within this descending channel. Now, it doesn't matter the tool you intend to use. I just love using channels because they give me overview of what I'm looking at. So I believe this is a good support zone as well. This is a good support zone. We have 0.53. That's one. It is not well tested, but I think we can make do with this quarter number here, 0.535. And we have a clusters of candles there, signifying possible signs of return based on the strength of the candles I'm seeing here. I think the bulls are more in control. Okay, the bulls are more in control, so I want to buy from here. Okay, and what I'm saying here is like we're even late to the party, which will make our stop loss even larger, but I think it's manageable. So I'm still going for a buy, and my stop loss up around it. So yeah, I have 65 pips stop loss. Alright, so I want to buy back to, yeah, possibly the last high there, which is almost in line with the. So let's see if we can come back to this zone. 0.55. Okay, 0.55 and down. So coming next month, I think I'm going to be doing a free training section on forex trading, and if you want to participate in that training, you can just simply chat me up, and I'll tell you what is required. That's training, like I earlier said, is free. All you just need to do is it's been sponsored by a brokerage. Just sign up and fund with a minimum account of $200, and you can partake in this training. And as a brokerage, we also offer technical and fundamental analysis on our channels, making our trading even profitable. Okay, making our clients profit from the market consistently. On the training, we'll be teaching all the way from the basics down to proper money management, trading psychology. We'll be teaching about technical analysis, how to pick your levels, understanding supply and demand zones. Alright, learn how to use the Fibonacci to do your analysis, also to take entries and retracements. Okay, learning how to use all the tools, basically learning how to use it. So you can see where I pick my take profits is like the on-demand price entry 70.5% retracement of this last impulsive leg. So you begin to understand how the waves in the market work, coupled with so many other things. All right, so I would just send me a message and you'll be guided on how to properly sign up and become part of this training. I see you guys tomorrow.